In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks, track your investments, and manage your money using Robinhood's website. Whether you're brand new to investing or just want a quick walkthrough, this guide will show you how to navigate Robinhood efficiently and confidently. Let's start by getting you into your account. Head over to robinhood.com in your web browser and simply log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your account and portfolio. If you want to find a particular stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency, use the search bar at the top. Just click on the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the asset you're interested in, and then select it from the list of matching results. This will bring up the detailed page for that asset, showing its price, recent performance, stats, and more. Ready to place a trade? Start by clicking the trade button on the assets page. Here, you'll decide if you want to buy or sell. Select your choice and then enter either the number of shares you'd like to trade or specify the dollar amount you want to invest or cash out. Make sure you double check your entry to ensure you have the right amount. Before you finalize your trade, take a moment to look at your order type. By default, it's usually set to market, which means your trade will go through immediately at the current price. If you want to be more specific with your price, you can change it to a limit order. This lets you set the exact price at which you want to buy or sell, offering more control, especially when markets are volatile. Once you're all set, click Review to go over your order details and then hit Submit to complete the trade. To keep track of your investments, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, go to Settings and then select Investing. Here, you'll see helpful details like your portfolio's total value, how much buying power you have left, and your day's gains or losses. This is a great place to get a snapshot of your financial position at any time. If you want more information on a specific stock or investment, click on it in your portfolio. As you scroll down, you'll find sections for news, detailed stats, and interactive charts. The chart has buttons like 1D for 1 day, 1W for 1 week, 1M for 1 month, 1Y for 1 year, or all for the entire price history. These views help you understand how an asset has performed over different timeframes. When you're ready to move money, go back to the account section. For withdrawals, choose transfers, then withdraw, and follow the prompts to send funds to your linked bank account. If you want to add more money to your account, just click deposit and follow the instructions. And that's it. With these steps, you can buy and sell assets, keep an eye on your investments, and manage your cash quickly right from Robinhood's website. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investing journey.